Hi creative friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, the Thrifty Chica, and today we're going to be talking about a brand new mystery box from Cricut. This one is called the Persimmon Permission Mystery Box. It's a bit of a tongue twister. So we're going to take a look at everything inside this mystery box, but before we do, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos, and let's get started taking a look at everything inside this mystery box. So the first item in this mystery box is a set of StandardGrip mats. If you're not sure what are the differences between the different mats for your Cricut machine, the pink ones are for use for fabric, the blue ones are great for things like paper and cardstock, the green ones are an awesome all-purpose kind of mat. This is great for things like vinyl, iron-on vinyl, permanent vinyl, removable vinyl, and a lot of the basic, supplies that you might use while you're crafting. This is perfect for. You could use this for foam, you could use it for heavier paper, so many different ways that you can use this, and you get a set of 2 of these, so this is great. The purple mats, I forgot to mention, those ones are for heavier duty materials if you need a super sticky surface. So these are just a great medium kind of all-purpose ones, and they're washable so you can reuse them as well. You just wash them with water and remove any major pieces of materials that you have on them. So here are 2 brand new ones that you can use. Let's take a look. There's, as you can tell, everything's packaged so super well in here. Cricut has definitely made sure everything will arrive safely to you. As you might spy, there is a Cricut Cutie in this box, and I'm going to take a look at this. This is just a nice bonus that Cricut includes in their Cricut Access boxes. So this one is in the color Persimmon, and let's take a look at it. So here is this Cricut Cutie. I love this color. It's so unique compared to some of the other colors that are in the set. I think this stands out just because it's such an interesting color. And if you like Bohemian decor, if you like that kind of warm tones, this is super cute, such a cute accent to it. I like to use these and have them by my work surface, so that way it kind of inspires me to have fun while I'm creating. So there is the color Persimmon. Let's take a look at everything else inside this box. We'll start with the one on the left here. These are some of my absolute most favorite materials to use. This is Cricut's premium textured vinyl, and this is a metallic vinyl that you can use. These are the dark metal sampler. And if you look at the dark metal sampler, this has some really beautiful colors. What I love about this is you get this really neat kind of interesting finish on it, so it makes it look really nice and expensive. I love using this on things like vases, wedding decor. This is awesome, or for wedding gifts. I've given gifts before of like a wine bottle that's customized with the dates and the initials of the people getting married, and you can do something like that. It's just like a little highlight on the wine bottle, and it makes it kind of a special way to celebrate later on for like an anniversary or something like that. So there's so many different ways that you can use this, and it's really beautiful. If you don't like the dark metals color, they have a sampler as well on their website that's a little bit lighter. So, but I love the colors on this. There's a black, there's kind of a bronze color, and a little bit more of a coppery color. The copper color is one of my favorites. So I think you'll have really a ton of fun using this one. The next item is premium vinyl. This is a shimmer, and it's a permanent vinyl. So this is in the color gold. As you can tell, it's super, super sparkly, really lovely. And if you haven't tried out using some of the shimmer materials, it is so pretty. Such a great way to add a little bit of fun and highlight to a project. As you can tell, these are really great, and they're going to be complementary towards each other if you use them in a project. So what I love is kind of everything in this box really goes together well. The next item is the Strong Bond Iron-On. This is the Everyday Iron-On, and this is in the neutral sampler. If you guys have not tried Strong Bond Iron-On, this is great for any projects that you really want to last. So Cricut guarantees over 50 washes on a project made with Strong Bond Iron-On. I've used this on projects and it's lasted way longer than that. So in fact, usually the shirt wears out before the iron-on wears out in my experience. So the neutral sampler has this really lovely kind of camel color brown, really pretty. a bright white, and then also this lovely kind of deeper brown color that's beautiful. I feel like all of these together would look so great in a project. And if you're using strong bond iron-on, it's so easy to use. I find it cuts and weeds really well, so this is such an easy way to make a project like maybe a really beautiful bag embellishment or a t-shirt, a pillow, pretty much anything that you would want to add a little design to. This would be great for. Next is Cricut's Adhesive Foil. This is in the matte, and as you can see, this is a gold color as well. It's really, really lovely. I'm a big fan of metallics as well. It might be a little bit of the magpie in me. I love using kind of sparkles and metallics, especially for things like holidays and events, because it's something you can just add something a little extra and it feels a little bit more special. These coordinate super well with each other, and what I love about this is when you're using something like adhesive foil, it gives you a nice bright accent to whatever project you're working on. So for this one, I would use it on something like maybe home decor, especially. I think this would look super lovely for something, you know, maybe as a gift. You could do this as something for graduation, for the holidays, for pretty much anything you think of, anniversaries, weddings, all of that coming up. This is such a great one to use, and you can get a ton in this one. This is a 12 by 48 inch roll, so there's a lot to work with here. So the next item that we can see is a pen set. This is the extra fine pen set in Bohemian. And the Bohemian colors, if you have not tried them, they're really lovely. They coordinate so well with each other, and you get kind of a really nice assortment of different colors. You get this kind of fern green, you get a lovely plum color, kind of a medium tone brown, so nice and rich colors, and then also more of a teal, and then this one, which is a little bit more of a reddish tone, but deeper. And as you can see, they're all 0.3 in size, so it gives you a nice fine tip set. If you have not tried using these in your machines, these are awesome. You just pop the cap off, you select the draw feature. Say you want to create something like custom gift cards, or you want to create custom tags. That's something that's really easy to do with something like this. You can just have it write or draw out the item that you want. So just make sure to set your project to write or draw. And these are really nice because they're usable so many different times. And if you do a whole set of different projects, these all coordinate really well with each other. There's so many different ways that you can use the faux suede, and for me, I really love using this for something like jewelry. If you want to make some jewelry, that's really lovely. Okay, so let's take a look at this. This is a beautiful kind of brown tone. There's a lighter camel tone, really pretty. And one that's a little bit darker. And I love the colors on these. As you can tell, they coordinate so well with each other. This would be great to make matching sets of something like on the example picture, they show you using it on a pillow. But you can make something like matching jewelry. I've made earrings with these, and they've turned out so cute. And they have such a nice soft finish, so they're really, really soft. This is a faux suede, so if you're worried about making sure that you use vegan materials only, this is great for projects like that. And you get such a nice quality finish. Plus, if you don't have something like a Cricut Maker, you can use this on the Cricut Explorer machines as well, because it is a thinner material. So it's purposely made to be able to be used in a variety of different machines and not have issues with it being too thick to cut. So this is a really easy material to cut, and just the variety of finishes makes it so fun to kind of interchange them and use them on a bunch of different projects. I think you guys will absolutely love this if you have not tried it before. It is one of my favorite kind of unusual materials to use with my Cricut machine. The next item in this mystery box is a set of glitter cardstock. This is in the classic sampler. The glitter cardstock is so lovely, and it's really easy to work with. It doesn't flake off on you while you're working with it. It has just a really nice easy to use finish on this. It's not even though it looks really bright and sparkly, it's not a coarse glitter, so you don't have any worries of it like falling off while you're working on the project. It's actually very fine glitter, and let's go ahead and take a look at some of the different colors in here. So the glitter cardstock comes with 10 sheets of 5 different colors. So you get gold, you get 2 sheets of the black glitter, a couple sheets of the really pretty silver glitter, the white kind of multi-sparkle glitter. So this one has little reflex of different types of colors in here. So this is really pretty for kind of a snow effect. And then this one, which is more of a copper color, kind of an orangey copper. And they're all really beautiful colors. As you can see, the classics really do work well together, and they will work well with any of the other materials that you see in this mystery box. The last item included in this mystery box is a sampler of Kraftboard. This is so heavy, by the way, guys. Look at how thick that is. It's really thick and heavy because you get a ton of Kraftboard in this right here. You get 30 different sheets of Kraftboard, and you can see they're split into 3 different colors. You get the bright white. You also get the standard Kraftboard color, so really pretty. And then also you get black as well. So you get a nice variety of colors to choose from and work with. You can see their sampler project is creating a 3D kind of like box for mailing, which is really cute. And they have a whole bunch of different ideas for 3D projects on the back as well as on the Cricut app. So if you guys have not played around with some of the 3D projects, this is perfect for working with to create something that's 3D, and it's not as difficult as it seems. I know a lot of these projects can feel a little bit intimidating, but they're really fun to work with and super, super easy. I have a project, I believe, from Easter time that is a 3D bunny, and it was super, super quick, like 5 minutes, really easy. So there are so many different projects that you can do with this, no matter your skill level, and play around and have fun. So if you want to create something fun for birthdays, upcoming holidays, or just for home decor, definitely this is a great one to break into and try. So let's go ahead and take a look at everything that was included in this mystery box. So this is the Persimmon Permission Mystery Box. The retail value on this is $143.90, and the mystery box goes for $59.99. I will leave links in the description box and also in the pin section of the video comments, so that way you guys can go directly to take a look at the mystery box yourself. This is a Cricut Access exclusive mystery box, so using Cricut Access will always give you a discount when you're ordering through Cricut Access. I will also include my code for this quarter, so that way you guys can use that. If there's anything else you want to pick up on the website, like tools, accessories, and materials, you'll get an extra 10% off of those items, as well as free shipping on orders over $50. So definitely, this is a really great kind of a combination of materials, and a lot of them you probably haven't tried yet. So I think this is a really fun box. What's included in the box? You get the Persimmon Cricut Cutie, which is super adorable. You get a set of 2 of these mats that are reusable. You get a roll of adhesive foil, really great for home decor. You get strong bond iron-on. This is a neutral sampler, so there are 3 different types of sheets in here. You also get one of my absolute favorite materials, which is the premium textured vinyl metallic, a premium vinyl shimmer, which is in the glitter, a set of extra fine point pens, which all coordinate well with each other, the Faux Suede Rustic sampler, as you can tell, really pretty, lovely colors, the Classics glitter sampler, which is very heavy, 10 different sheets, and then also the Kraftboard Sampler, which is a set of 30 different sheets of Kraftboard. So you can create some really awesome 3D projects. So if you guys want to try all of this out, make sure you check out the links in the description box, and I will have some projects coming up for you guys, and maybe I will show some of these because they're really fun to play around with. So I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you guys later.